How to use basic editing tools in CapCut. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. Let's dig in some of the basic edits that you must know to use in your CapCut. So firstly, tap on the Add project to add a new video into your CapCut. Some of the basic editing tools are right at the bottom in your toolbar. When we see basic, it probably means a simple split or trim, adding audio, text, effects, or filters. So let's debug each one of them. If you are looking to trim out or split a section of this video, first off, tap on the video. Then at the bottom of this toolbar, at the front, tap on Split. Before splitting, make sure that you select a section. Just draw the cursor until to the section, select on Split, then tap on the portion of the video that you want to delete, remove, or trim out. Tap on the Delete button to do so. That is how you trim or split your videos. If not, you can even tap on the video, then again just drag the cursor in or out to extend or decrease the length of the video. That is the second way you can trim or split a video. Now next is to add an audio into your video. Just click on the audio option. In here, you can extract from an existing video. You can select sounds within the application, or you can even record your very own voiceover in it. You can even add your own music from your device. Now, to add text, just click on the text option, select on Add Text, then just write here whatever you wish to. You can also select style, fonts, animations, and more. Then, to make your video look more attractive if you wish to, you can add effects, such as video effects, in which you can add a blur, flash, diamond zoom, and more. All you need to do is just select on the effect, then you can select on the effect length as well. By this way, you'll be able to make this video more appealing for the viewers. And those are some of the basic editing tools you must know in your CapCut. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.